Overview of the textbook. There are two main goals of this textbook. The first is to broaden your view of the diversity of cultures inside and outside of Japan. The second is to learn to express yourself respectfully and with nuance. First, you will reflect on your own habits and opinions and think about the culture you live in. After that, you will read about and discuss the habits of people from cultures outside Japan. You will be able to read many comments and stories of people who have lived outside of their home cultures. These are taken from a large online database, the Ibunka survey. Each unit covers a key topic in our daily lives, such as school, clubs, or family life. The one step further sections allow you to explore the topic more deeply through additional responses to the survey. QR codes. Accessing the vocabulary QR codes opens online vocabulary lists, which give translations of all the key vocabulary found in boxes at the bottom of each page. These are protected by a password, which your teacher can give you if they choose to. The audio QR codes give free access to audio recordings of each written response. Each track has been recorded in 3 native English accents: American, British, and Australian. The vocabulary translations and audio tracks can also be accessed online through the textbook's website at www.ibunka.jp.